Now let's start a lecture today. My name is Gumre Chandra Sen, and good morning, all of you. Yes, yes, I think I hope many students is join again. Very good. Within time, few students also still not join. Okay, forget it. They can be joined. So just I told you there are the production, right? So my question is that production is what, and also you give the answer. But in a production process, my question you try to understand first. Clear? In the production process, what do exactly? In the production process, what done by producer exactly? प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस मध्ये ऍक्च्युअल काय केलं जातं प्रोड्युसर कडनं? आता परत तेच सांगताय तुम्ही. हा, एकदा बायर्स कधी गुड्स बाय करतो? आता हे मला माईक कम्फर्टेबल आहे. इज इट कम्फर्टेबल टू मी? Yes, when prices is reasonable, but okay. Another reason? Change in original good. Okay. Rohit, very good. Willingness? No. Hmm? Ability? Okay. Hmm? Yes, remaining students, please reply me. हुदा कुठे हुदा? फिर से गए तुम लोग उधर? हो, अच्छा इधर आहे. ओके ओके ओके. काल बोललेलं मनावर घेतलं ना जास्त आयशूचं. छान छान. व्हेरी गुड. येस, सो रिप्लाय देन. हा, मयुरी कुठे? मयुरी दिसत नाही. डेमरीस. मी काही नाही बोलले सर. हो, खरंय खरंय. तू काहीच बोलत नाही, फक्त टायपिंगच करते तू. बोलायला कशाला पाहिजे? टायपिंग पाहिजे आपल्याला फक्त. हम्म. येस, मयुरी आहे ना लेक्चरला आय थिंक. मयुरी लेक्चरला बघितल्यासारखी वाटली मागाशी मला. मी हा, मुजीब. येस प्लीज. मयुरी पण नाही, मुजीब पण नाही. हा.
आहे मी.
हा, मग बोला. अंडरस्टँड माय क्वेश्चन.
बोला.
क्वेश्चन इज दॅट व्हॉट डन बाय एक्झॅक्टली, की माझे एक्झाम्पल दिले होते की मला हा हेडफोन कम्फर्टेबल आहे. कम्फर्टेबल आहे म्हणजे मला काय मिळते याच्यापासून?
सॅटिस्फॅक्शन.
येस
मी सॅटिस्फाईड ना त्याच्याने.
येस येस, हॅव मी आय हॅव अ सॅटिस्फाईड. क्लिअर. सो मीन्स आय हॅव गेट द युटिलिटी. युजफुलनेस इज अनदर थिंग बेटा. ऋषी, व्हेरी गुड. राईट. So when any commodity produced by producer, that goods makes to the its customer or its buyer to the more familiar. गुड ज्यावेळेस तयार होतात तर त्याच्यात युटिलिटी पाहिजे. तेच तर प्रोडक्शनचं मोटिव्ह आहे. क्लिअर. म्हणजे प्रोडक्शन म्हणजे इन शॉर्ट काय? प्रोडक्शन इम्प्लाय जस्ट आय टोल्ड यू क्रिएशन ऑर addition of utility. Production consists of various process through which utility is created. साधा आपल्याला समजा वुडन पासून केलेला एक सोफा. तो बघायला किती छान वाटतं ना ते. पण ते रॉ वुडन ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला समजा दिलं त्या सोफा तयार करणार त्याने सांगितलं हा वुडन घरी घेऊन जा आणि पाहिजे तसा सोफा तयार करून घ्या. त्यात युटिलिटी असणार आहे का? अजिबात नाही. नो, नॉट एट ऑल. क्लिअर. सो here when we purchase any commodity there is always issue of what, where comes to the more satisfactions to me. Clear. So in this way we know about that utility, how get to the more from me. Clear. So yes, that is the different types of utilities created here. टाइम युटिलिटीज आणि प्रोडक्शनचं काय रिलेशन आहे? एक्सक्यूज मी. How is the relationship between time? I just asked time utility. बोला. Form utility production is done on yes per time. कसं काय म्हणताय? No, don't give fruitless answers and bakwas answers. Clear. Time means if you know very well the utility of the specific duration. Now is a rainy season is work or in that is a rainy season, right? So umbrella producing company have purposefully focused on production of umbrellas, raincoats. Clear. Or that plastic material where have more use. Means that plastic is now have a time utility. Clear. So yes, that more demand in the season. So that is a mean now is a plastic, whether that season is over, next season comes to here, then our demand is also change. Clear. So here specific period is most important for any commodity. That specific period in that duration is really importance. Clear. So in this way we know about that production. In short, that production is what? Result or output, or then comes to that output and that stock and supply. That is the next concept. एकदा प्रोडक्शन झाली की एकदा ती गुड्स प्रोड्यूस झाली. आता सर्व्हिसेस काय प्रोड्युसिंग नसतात, त्या लाईव्ह असतात. आपण सर्व्हिस युटिलिटी पाहिजे, त्याचा काही स्टॉक नाही करताय. आय ऑलरेडी क्लिअर टू यू हिअर. नाही तुम्हाला असं प्रोडक्शन म्हणलंय आता याचा कसा स्टॉक झाला. क्लिअर. सो येस, intangible. Yes, absolutely right. So that is the production. Are you concept your production concept? तुमची ही production concept complete आहे का? Are you understand that? Yes, please. रिप्लाय द्या मला जरा. Yes, so that is the production where goods producing. Now second concept, production झालं. Production and output, there is difference. Production comes to that sources, and output, total output can be defined as the sum total of the quantity of the commodity produced at a given period of time in the economy. Clear. Try to understand that totally do concept is very different. Production is that producer producing that goods, and that production we never say that in one specific year. You know very well some machines producing 2 or 3 or more years. Or recently we just India had done one mission, Mars mission, and that mission running 1.5 years. So that not production above the 1 year, that fulfill or that achieve getting a more than year, but output calculate in a given period of time in economy means financial year. Clear? So total output can be defined as the sum total quantity of a commodity produced at a given period of time in economy. In short, that output is the outcome of process of production when inputs like used to them for that output, land, labor, capital, organization undergo to the production process, they emerge into the output, or from of them we have to come to finally that out. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला जे मिळतं ते आउटपुट असतं. आणि इट इज येस, इट इज अवेलेबिलिटी, क्वांटिटी अँड क्वालिटी ऑफ द फॅक्टर्स दॅट ऑल आर कम टू द आउटपुट. क्लिअर? तर एवढंच सी कन्सेप्ट आहे. दुसरी and input and efficiency, they all are under comes to the output. So that is the two concept, production and output. Are you understand that both concept? If query is there, please immediately ask to me. बुक्स मध्ये तुम्हाला प्रोडक्शन कन्सेप्ट दिलेली नाही, मी घेतली आहे इथं. आउटपुट पासून डायरेक्ट स्टार्ट केलंय. Yes, remaining guys. Hello. Yes. Rohit only understand. Remaining students, what happened? Yes, okay. Very good. Okay, now we're going on next concept. Now going on second concept, third concept, that is the stock. Stock is the total quantity or commodity available with producer for sale at a point of time. Stock is what here exactly? Stock is the total quantity which comes to the outcome. Try to understand again. And that stock is the total quantity of commodity available with a producer for sale at a point of time. Clear? Sir, please repeat the point. But which point you don't understand? Yes, Rushi. Which point you exactly not understand? Yes, tell me please. You output not understand or production, where you are confusion? Okay. Okay. Your query is here. Okay. See what you explain here. Have or kept supply of particular goods for sale at a product in future. Example onion. Yes, that is the stock. Supply अजून concept बघितलेलीच नाही ऋषी आपण अजून. Your yes, that is your query. Ki have or kept supply of particular goods for sale of a product in future. Example onion. Yes, absolutely. We are the keeping a more stock. Many sellers keeping stock of products. Stock in many products. Exceptional agricultural few product. Vegetables or something product we never keep a long time. Yes, I show stock is nothing but provision made of particular for future. Yes. Here. So, in short, whether we keeping a stock or put them their stock, yes, that comes to the outcome, or we have to store here. So that can be say that stock is the quantity or commodity available with a producer sale at a point of time, or that is outcome of production. Absolutely, which converted into the output and then comes to here. One more importance to here, stock is always than supply, greater than supply. Clear? Stock, never forget that stock is a greater than supply. You can say that how, sir? If you have producing 10 commodity, right? Yes, that outcome comes to the 10. So out of that you are supplying that 10 commodity. You are never supplying 12 or 15. Are you understand what I tell you here? Whatever you produce, that comes to the output and that are come to finally in stock. Less stock, more supply, there is no any possibility. Whatever you have stock, part and a proportion of stock you can be supply to the market. Right. So what is importance to here? Here importance is that whatever have a producer producing goods, that comes to the outcome, then carry to the market, they have make the stock, and stock is always greater than supply. Clear? Yes, but sometime, now is most important, sometime when agricultural goods, then supply is equal to stock. Listen carefully what I told you here. Why? Why here agricultural goods supply is equal to stock? Yes. Hmm. Why agricultural goods hmm? Yes, please reply me. Hola. Hello. Agricultural goods, why supply is equal to stock? Because stock of goods supply is there are essential commodity more demand. Okay. Okay. Yes. Anybody want to respond? Yes. Rishikesh replying there are perishable. Okay. And Rohit is replying it produce one time in year. एका वर्षामध्ये एकदाच प्रोड्युसिंग केले जाते रोहित. ओके रोहित, मग कोथिंबीर किती वेळा लावतात रे? एकदाच ना रोहित? कोथिंबीर एकदाच एका वर्षाला लावायची. 3 टाइम, बट यू आर टेलिंग जस्ट इन 1 टाइम इन इयर. येस. हा 3 टाइम लावतात ना मग. Our question is what their agricultural goods, why supply, that supply is equal to stock? Because is more demand in the market for those goods are essential. But already Rishikesh is giving answer here. Already given answer. I am waiting for you. Just are you confident to that answer or not? Yes, answer is what? Agricultural goods is a perishable goods. Yes. Clear? Agricultural goods is a perishable goods. And we never store a long time. That is the reason. Agricultural product is equal to its supply. जेवढा agricultural goods supply असणार आहे, whatever is production, that comes to output, and that is stock. Whatever is stock, that are the sale. or supply by seller, because agricultural goods have limitation that sellers, yes, few products are the exception. Onion, also what we say that cashew nuts, or also some product that stock also we never be store a long or 1 year or more. Few months we can be stock. Also fruit grain. Fruit grain best stock is 6 to 7 or maximum 8 months or maximum 12. So limit cross. Yes, you are keeping stock, but that may never maintain that quality of that product after a store a long time agriculture product. Clear? So here, whether you observing or studying, or in this way, we know about that stock is a greater than supply, especially agricultural goods. I just told you, perishable goods stock is equal to supply. So your concept is perfect now. Any query in a concept of stock? Hmm. No query? Hmm. Okay, so now we going on next concept, that is the supply. So little bit already we familiar with when we comparatively study the stock, simultaneously we focus to the concept of supply. Now see here what is happening in the concept of supply. The relation between market prices and the amount of goods that producers are willing to supply. Clear? That is called a supply. Here in the relation between market prices and the amount of goods that producer willing to supply. Anybody can remind me that concept of demand? डिमांड कन्सेप्ट आठवते का जरा पाहिलेली? Give me complete answer. Don't give in pieces answer. Hmm? Still waiting. I am answer. Ah, Chaitanya, are you there? I know I am seen here. You. Yes. Yes. Very good, Ritika. Desire, ability, and willingness to buy. Yes, absolutely right. That demand, desire backed by willingness and ability to pay. Clear? So same like when as a one consumer that all things are required to fulfill a demand. So yes, as a supplier, relation between market prices and amount willing that goods that producers are willing to supply. पुढे आपल्याला डीप मध्ये कन्सेप्ट पाहायचीच आहे ही, आता थोडक्यात इथं बघतोय आपण. क्लियर. So when we go to the in deep study, then also we are the learn or studying. Clear. Here we are the trying to understand that concept, or in this way we are learn, or we are trying to understanding the demand, desire back and willingness to pay. Like in demand, same like in suppliers, supplier also wish त्याला सुद्धा त्याच्या प्रोडक्टची प्राइस मिळाली पाहिजे ना. तो कमी प्राइसेसला नाही सेल करणार, त्यालाही वाटतं की माझ्या प्रोडक्टला सफिशियंट मनी आले पाहिजेत. जर आले नाही तर तो सुद्धा, yes, that person also waiting for the good prices, त्याची पण काहीतरी विषय आहे ना. क्लियर. सो इट इज डिपेंड ऑन स्टॉक. येस, आत्ताच आपण पाहिलं की सप्लाय हा स्टॉक वरती डिपेंड असतो. दॅट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन रिझर्वेशन प्राइस अँड द प्रिव्हेलिंग मार्केट प्राइस. Yes, supply of commodity always there is comes to the issue of that prices have a reserve, or we can say that reservation price. Anybody know the what is mean by reservation price? What is called reservation? Don't tell me that caste and all the reservations. There is a many other also answers. So already I told you reservation. Now you directly going on that caste and all. Yes, which is called reservation. The price below the seller cannot be sell the goods. Very good, Om. Very good. That price keep by seller in his mind. Whether you go to the market, many time you are the using that strategy bargaining. Clear. So yes, that reserve price in his mind, absolutely right. And that sellers, whether not getting that reserving price in his mind, whatever have keep, that never be sell the that product. जर तुम्ही मार्केटला गेलात बघा, तर समजा मँगो मार्केट आहे, आता सीझन तो संपला, तर समजा त्याने 2500 सांगितले किंवा 2500 ला 100 मँगोज आहे, तर तुम्ही म्हणता नाही बाबा 2000 दे, तो म्हणतो काय परवडत नाही दादा, एवढ्या लांबनं घेऊन आलोय. क्लियर. अँड तो म्हणतो बरं ठीक आहे 2400 रुपयाला घेऊन जा. तो म्हणतो नाही, तो घेऊन बाहेर ठरवलं असतो की नाही 2000 रुपयालाच मला 100 पाहिजे. मग असं लॉंग टाइम डिबेट चालतं. तुम्ही जायला की तो म्हणतो या दादा आता हे बघा 2200 रुपीजच्या एक पैसे पण मी कमी करणार नाही. म्हणजेच काय, त्या मँगो सेलरने त्याच्या डोक्यामध्ये ती प्राइस ठेवलेली आहे. क्लियर. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो रिझर्वेशन प्राइस. आता काय प्रिंटेड प्राइसेस आहेत. खरं तर आता ही रिझर्वेशन प्राइस ही फक्त ऍग्रिकल्चरला दिसून येते. Nowadays is printed prices in shopping malls. Every goods there is a printed price. Clear. So that is not a issue. Clear. So reservation price prevailing the market prices, where how comes to before that prices never. In short, in the supply there is comes to the quantity of commodity, willingness to sell, and price of the commodity. When comes to all that things together and time period, then can be said that all is a supply. So now you tell me what is difference between demand and supply. Yes. सॉरी काय म्हणले तुम्ही स्टॉक अँड सप्लाय डिफरन्स काय मग याच्यामध्ये येस मी ऑन स्क्रीन वरती येतोय पुढे समोर मला सांगा आता मग काय डिफरन्स आहे येस बोला क्वेश्चन व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन स्टॉक अँड सप्लाय आणि बाकीच्यांनी पण ऐका रिपीट आन्सर देताना रिपीट करू नका आणि तुम्ही माईक ऑन करून बोलला तरी मला चालेल येस अनुजा वेटिंग इन द लॉबी काय करते पोरगी ही हा येस प्लीज you can directly answer with a mic. I am ready to your taken answers. Give me proper answers from proper way. We already discussed the difference in last year. So proper way give the answer. Yes, Rushi. Stock is time utility, supply has purchase utility. No beta. Go the proper way. Stock is something that which can be stored, supply can't be stored. You are all of you giving misguiding answers. Give a proper way. You are also that is answer, but not a organized answer we can say here. Yes. बोला yes please 1 minute plug the pin. Stock comes before supply and supply comes to the after stock. Okay, it's okay. ठीक आहे दिलेले त्या स्क्रीनवरचे डिफरन्स सांगायचे सगळे विसरून गेले without stock supply can't be done. So simple you say that supply is greater, the stock is greater than supply and supply is less than stock. Simple. Yes, Rohit, supply refers to quantity of commodity. Hey, what do you answer guy? No? बेटा जी क्या आंसर दे रहे आप? Stock is a fund concept and supply is a flow concept. Fund versus flow. Yes, issue supply is equal to stock in case of perishable. Very good. Absolutely right. Yes, so you are giving most of the answer. Stock depends on production. Yes, and supply depend on stock. Absolutely right. So, yes, we know that, or in this way, we have to know the relationship stock with supply, or that two concepts is totally different from each other. Clear? We know about it, how that is working. So again, I share screen to you here. Now we focus on reservation price. I already told and you already familiar with that concept. Om also giving that answer already. So here reservation price is a seller's minimum price below which is the sellers is not willing to sell even a single unit. Clear? That person or that seller keeping a stock in his product, right? Keeping side, that is never sell to the below that product. We can say the reservation price. Just we are taken that example. I give the mango example to you. Generally, market price is greater than reservation prices. The sellers will to ready to sell. Generally, market means if the seller expectation that product. समजा सेलरची एक्सपेक्टेशन आहे प्रोडक्टची काय की what is expectation of that seller? We have to market is I am selling is that mango is 2,500 and my reservation price is a 2,200. Below I am never be ready. And but assume that there is a 3,000 rupees 100 mango. So it is very good. I am no need to the waiting for my come to the below prices because already price is more my product here. So that is also one more advantages to me to get through of them. So here is a market prices. That concept also not in your text. पण तुमच्या टेक्स्ट मध्ये कन्सेप्ट नाही तुम्हाला माहिती असावी म्हणून नाही. पुढे आपण लॉ जेव्हा बघणार आहोत लॉ ऑफ सप्लाय जसं आपण डिमांड पाहिलं की नाही then that base of law of supply is a reservation price. त्या लॉ ऑफ सप्लायचा बेस ह्या रिझर्वेशन प्राइस आहे म्हणून आधीच त्याच्यावरती आपण फोकस केलेला आहे. क्लिअर? सो दॅट इज अनदर इम्पॉर्टन्स टू हिअर. नाव वी सी द नेक्स्ट कन्सेप्ट. आता आपण ऍक्च्युअल कन्सेप्ट कडे येऊ. आता थोडक्यात फक्त जशी इंट्रोडक्टरी घेतली होती आपल्या टॉपिकचं नावच आहे सप्लाय. तर ऑलरेडी सप्लाय बद्दल आपल्याला थोडंसं फॅमिलियर झालेलो आहोत आपण. So in short, supply means what? That word supply implies various quantities of commodity offered for sale by producer during a given period of time at a given price. It is related to the time and price. Clear? थोडक्यात काय म्हणायचं आपण याला मग की एखादा प्रोड्युसर आर that quantities of commodity offered for sale by producer during a given period of time means that producer comes to the specific prices for that product. जर त्याच्या प्रोडक्टला त्याची स्पेसिफिक प्राइस जर मिळत असेल तर तो सेल करायला तयार असेल. हाव कम टू द रिक्वायर प्राइस ऑफ दॅट प्रोडक्ट and when that ready to the sale that we can be say the supply and that depend on stock. What is the dependency here about that producer? That supply, yes, absolutely depend on stock. Whether is the stock more, then supply can be also more. One more importance to here, there is a difference between the reservation price and prevailing market price. I already told you here. If the seller's keeping mind price is less, what I tell you here, and market price is more, then its sellers comes to the more advantage. जर त्याला अवेलेबल प्राइसेस पेक्षा त्याला मिळणार जादाचा ॲडव्हान्टेज जर वेगळं असेल तर ॲब्सोल्युटली that comes to the more benefit. Clear? So that is another one advantages comes to here. where we observing or studying that prevailing market prices. So it is also essential elements we are observing that quantity of commodity I just told you, willingness to sell and price of the commodity which already are discussed in the supply. ती concept मगाशी पाहिले आपण फारसा काही problem नाहीये. Actual concept of what is the supply that explained by Professor Samuelson. Supply refers to the relationship between market prices and the amount of goods that producers are willing to supply. Clear? What is here observing? Supply refers to relation between what? Market prices and amount of goods that producers are willing to supply. That explained by Paul Samuelson, and that is due to the example. Farmers output of the price is 4,000 kgs. This is total stock. If the prices is 40 per kg, he offers 1,000 kgs for sale. This is his actual supply. Clear? So I think today sufficient for you. I told you syllabus of our test. Clear? आपल्या टेस्ट साठी होणारा जो सिलेबस आहे त्याच्याबद्दल मी आपल्याला ऑलरेडी बोललेलोच आहे. क्लिअर? टेस्ट आपलं जे आयटीचं टाइम दिलं होतं. येस ऐश्वर्या, आपण टाइम संपत आला इथला, आपण तो रिपीट करूया. पुढच्या वेळेस काय मी डायरेक्ट इथनं नाही करणार, डेफिनेशन पासून जाऊया आपण डिमांडच्या, सॉरी सप्लायच्या. क्लिअर? दॅट टॉपिक वी सेम टॉपिक वी कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. टेस्ट सांगून झालेले तुम्हाला, जशी 15 मार्च होती आयटीची तशी आपली पण होईल. रिपीट मीन्स टेस्ट. हा 5 वाजता हा नाही, टेस्ट एकदाच देता येईल. आयटीला कसं एकदा चान्स होता तसाच सेम टाइम, तेवढंच टायमिंग. आयटीला जेवढं टायमिंग दिलं होतं तेवढंच. एनी अदर क्वेरी? टू चॅप्टर फर्स्ट अँड चॅप्टर सेकंड. सर ती मी नाही मी. ओके इट्स ओके. ओके नाव वाचलंय बरोबर. येस, टाइम संपत आल्याचा परत मला मेसेज आलेला आहे. सो बिफोर कम्प्लिटेशन टाइम. क्लिअर? तर आज इंट्रोडक्टरी आपण टॉपिक बघितला. नेक्स्ट ऑन मंडे वी डिस्कस टू दॅट सेम टॉपिक. टेस्ट द्या. आणि 8 टाईपचे तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी सांगितले. 8 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह एनी 15 मार्च कसे पण टाईपचे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह तुम्हाला असतील. ओके, हॅव अ नाईस डे, टेक केअर, बाय. Yes.